Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about the age old debate, is eating pizza good or bad for you? Let's dive into the science and find out the truth behind this beloved dish. First off, let's talk about the potential benefits of eating pizza. Pizza can be a good source of calcium from the cheese, and if it's topped with vegetables, you can also get some essential vitamins and nutrients. Plus, the tomato sauce can provide a dose of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. On the other hand, pizza can also be high in calories, saturated fat, and sodium. The processed meats and excessive cheese can contribute to health issues like high cholesterol and heart disease. But it's all about moderation, right? Enjoying a slice of pizza as an occasional treat is probably not going to have a huge impact on your health. It's when pizza becomes a regular indulgence that it can start to cause problems. Of course, everyone's dietary needs and tolerances are different, so it's important to listen to your body and make choices that work for you. So, is eating pizza good or bad for you? The answer isn't so black and white. Like most foods, it's all about balance and moderation. If you love pizza, there's no need to cut it out completely, but being mindful of portion sizes and choosing healthier toppings can make a big difference in how it affects your overall health. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments what your favorite pizza toppings are.